In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the camera on BOTM. First, open your device's settings. You can find the settings icon, which looks like a gear, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you to a menu where you can adjust various features of your device. This step is crucial because it is where you can manage permissions for all your installed apps, including BOTM. Once you are in the settings menu, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on Apps or Applications. This option may differ slightly depending on your device. Some devices may simply label it as Apps, while others might say Applications. In this section, you will see a list of all the applications installed on your device. This is important because it allows you to control what each app can access, including your camera. Once you tap on this, you will move forward to find BOTM in the list. Now, tap on BOTM from the list of applications. As you select BOTM, you will see various options related to the app. This step is significant as it allows you to specifically manage the permissions for BOTM. You should see several tabs or sections related to the app, which will help you adjust its settings. Make sure you have selected the correct app to ensure you are enabling the camera for BOTM. After that, tap on Permissions. In this section, you will see a list of permissions that BOTM requires to function properly. Permissions are essential because they determine what features of your device the app can use. You will find options like camera, microphone, and storage. This step is vital for ensuring that the app has the necessary access to perform its functions effectively. Once you tap on Permissions, the next step will help you enable the camera. Next, tap on Camera. This action will direct you to the camera permission settings for BOTM. Here you will see options that allow you to choose how BOTM can access your camera. This is important because if the camera permission is not granted, you won't be able to make video calls. Selecting the camera permission will unlock the next options available to you. Now select Allow or Allow Only while using the app. Choosing Allow will give BOTM continuous access to your camera, while Allow Only while using the app restricts access when you are not actively using it. This decision is crucial for maintaining your privacy while ensuring that BOTM can function correctly during calls. Once you make this selection, you are almost ready to start using your camera in BOTM. With that ready, open BOTM. You can do this by locating the BOTM icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tapping on the icon will launch the app where you can connect with friends and family. Opening the app confirms that the changes you made are in effect. This is an exciting step as you prepare to use the camera for video calling. Finally, start a video call to test the camera. You can select a contact and initiate a video call to see if everything is working smoothly. This last step is essential because it ensures that the camera is functioning as expected. If you see your image on the screen, you have successfully enabled the camera on BOTM. Enjoy your video calls, knowing that you have set everything up correctly.